Today we're going to be doing a drop test from about 20 feet in the air on the new performance spray gun by 3M. One of our biggest complaints that we get from our customers is the guns that are plastic are cheap. They don't last. They're good for metal. The new gun from 3M is a composite, and we've been told that it can drop from at least 30 feet and still be functionable. So we're going to do our own test and we'll see. All right. No damage done, no cracks. All right, go for it.
Drop from 20 feet, one.
The only thing that popped off were the atomizing head and the retaining ring, which is just an accessory to the part.
Protecting the needle.
Go for it. Ready?
No scrapes.
No, that was just the web from the
That was
different
web?
floor. Yeah. Looks fine. A little bit of damage there. Oh, no, never mind. It's just dust from the floor.
The tip.
Tip looks good.
Yeah. Plastic.
So,
20.
but everything else looks fine.
Some minor wear.
Just a
on the
little,
hanger.
tiny little ding.
Yeah.
Still in good shape.